off-grid cabin shower a Raz, because I want to do some washing up. Hook him on the wall. Fetch me gas. And the guy, I don't know if you're watching this, there's a fella who looked at my channel and he made a few suggestions which were really good. This is a low pressure, see that? And it seems to work okay with this shower. And I'm thinking, do I need a high pressure one? Because I've ordered a high pressure one for some of the cooking stuff I've got. But it does work with this shower fine. So if you're watching, guys, you've already got one of these showers, let us know. This is the guard. I don't know. I think I have to put that in first, I think, for the. Oh, I got it. That's it. A little wire that I use at home. That'll be all right. Okay, let me get the rest of the bits connected up, and I'll come back to you. This is from home. This is going to hold the shower head. And all the in the middle of that, the ball was missing. Well, I mean, we got the ball, but what was missing was the. There must be a rubber or something inside that causes the friction. So I put in 3 tap washers. I might only need. I might need 3. Yeah, you're going to need 3 tap washers. It doesn't matter, it's fine. There we go. It should be something like. There, that's it. You can do that when you're showering, or you can bring it down when you want to do the washing. So you're saying I do the washing up. So here we have a 14-litre bucket. I'll get some water in that. I'm going to do all this in film because you know it's going to pour water into that. Then I'm going to pump the pump in it, but I'll show you this. And I'm going to connect the pump to the inverter. But I've also, in another video, put a switch on the actual main line. So it's an inline switch, but it's waterproof as well. Oops, missed. I won't fill it right to the top. Probably about the same. 15 litres, probably this is. Okay. Put one of these in the van. Put this one in the van the other day and it leaked. Van soaking wet inside. Right. Let's get the pump going. Okay. Touch your float with your switch on the top. Might not need that much actually. I could shorten that down now because I put this hose on it, but we'll see. No biggie. Put that off there. Put that on there. So there'll be less hose to use up, so it might be easier actually. Okay, put it in my pocket. There we go. So on here now, let's show you. There we go. So I've got the inline. Oh, sorry, I'm way out the way there. Let's bring him up. So I've got the inline switch. Bring you around and up. Actually, bring you back a bit. No, I'm not going to have a shower. I'm just going to wash up. So there's your switch. So now I'm going to. It's virtually in the middle. Virtually in the middle. So I did a video on wiring it up. I'm now going to get the inverter going. I'll take you in there, show you anyway. Show you all. Show you it all! Back to negative. Right to positive. Right, let's go back outside. Okay, bear with me. Let's get the gas on. Gas on. Gas on. Do you get that nervous bit thinking, I hope this works after everything I've done? Right. Oh, come on. Is the pump working? Isn't it? Oh. The float was lower than the pump. Come on, babe, come on. That float stopped again. I need a bigger bucket, I think, yeah. Well, the switch is working anyway. Right, just hold fire. Yeah, I'm going to hold this and see what happens. Right, here we go. Oh, you got warm. It's working. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's nice. Oh. I don't know if it's the height of this thing that's causing the problems, and it's not coming out properly. But it's working now anyway, so I'm not going to complain. And that's hot. That's hot, hot. Yeah. See that? Yeah. That's hot. Oh, out. So we can now wash the dishes. You could probably shower very easily, but it's very burn you. Looks like some of the jets are blocked as well. That's better. Temperature. Is it down a bit? Or is that? Oh no, that's hot. Bring the burner down a bit. We got this. Ooh, God, that's hot. So it's working, fantastic. Just took a while to fire up. So you'll be a bit more patient, I presume. All that. Sorry. So if you're having a shower, you would shower, stop, wash, soak down lather and everything, and then rinse off. So you've got one bucket will do it, no problem. Let's just fill that up. Excuse me. And then I like these frying pans, they really do clean up easily. Well, it works. There you go. It works. So the off-grid shower works at the off-grid shower. No, at the cabin. I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's put that down for a sec. Oh, I could put a bit more water in there actually. It's still going. That's right. So turn that right down. That's hot. I mean, that would be hot to shower under. That's right now. Perfect. You could shower under that beautifully. That's fantastic. That's good. Okay. So next instalment there will be a shower. No, it won't. That's a bit too small now. So they are they're quite versatile. Like I said, Guy, if I think I need a higher pressure, no, I don't. I don't think I do. It's working fine actually. You just try it back. Oh. There you go. It just needs bleeding through, I think. Bit of patience, but that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I think the only thing was the switch. Sorry, I mean I had a camera. So the only problem is the switch. I've had to rest the switch on the ladder because the bucket's not big enough, it doesn't float. So in other words, the float is the same level as the pump, and then it just drops a bit and it switches off. But look at that. Look at that. Oh, brilliant. I do the dishes now without going home. Actually, I've got a scourer. And the pump. And it all works. Right, I'm washing up. Right, let's give it a final test. Put it back on again. I'm jerking. I think it's getting the water up to the head. Oh, here we go. Here we go in. Yes. Brilliant. Got my scouring pad. What I'll do is a bit of a drain away here, just put some chippings down. If you can see me, can you see me on that or not? Yeah, so a bit of a drain away at the bottom here. Make sure it's clean. In theory, you can shower and wash up at the same time. And there we go. God, I've been waiting to do that for so long. Okay, point proven, pump works, switch works, everything works. Over the moon. Thank you very much for watching if you followed me this far. Yes, a little bit of a rigmarole to set up. But don't forget, we are absolutely in the middle of nowhere. And we're having a hot shower if we need it. And we can wash up and everything. And the pump's drying out. Switching that off. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Here we go. And she's off. Take care. Catch you in the next vid. Subscribe button over there. Next video coming up over here. Thank you very much if you've been watching me this far. Thank you if you subscribe. That would be fantastic. Thank you if you like. Thank all my subscribers. I love you all. The channel's still going, which is great. And take care. That's all I can say. Bye. Yeah, Jane wants what's left. I just want to prove a point. Okay, shower, switch, washing up done. Shower connected, hose connected, gas, boom, connected, cable comes through, around, down to the inverter, up to that charges my battery from the solar panel, which is on the roof. Maybe I've shown you that, I'll just show you that. And that's it, that is it's only a 60 watt. Right, so that concludes this video, and I am absolutely, what they say in Australia, stoked. Right.